Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Ultra and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes. And the first code, which is probably the most known, is *# 06 £. And thanks to it we can check the IMEI numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and another code which will open the testing menu. It is *# 4636 £*##. So here you can test the phone information and Wi-Fi info. So here we've got something called, again, IMEI number, but also car network, data service or voice service. You will be able to check all of those details if you've got your SIM card inserted, so be aware about that. Here we can also run ping test. And here we've got the results, and after tapping on the three dots icon in the right upper corner we can view service dialing numbers or enable data connection. We can also check Wi-Fi info, so here we've got different sections. We can go to the status, for example, refresh the stats, and here we should have the information like the network state SSID or network ID. You can also run a ping test right here. So that's all for this code. Another code which is provided by Google, it is *# 426 £*##. And here we are in the diagnostics, so you can check server, host, port, time connected. You can also tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status, and here we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping or HB algorithm. Let's go back, and another code which should open the calendar information. It is *# 225 £*##. And here we are in the calendar info. So usually here you will have the events gathered in one place. You can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. However, this section provides you only the overall amount of the events. You cannot really open specific sections and check the details. So simply overall number of events. Another code which will open charging and battery information is *# 6485 £*##. And here we are in the charging and battery information. So basically here you can check the condition of your battery, which is for example good, whether it is charging or not, the exact level, and I believe the temperature should be somewhere here. Alright, and the last code, which is *# 4 O's £*##. And here we are in the device information, so you can also check the technical info about your device. So for example, the Android version, the hardware version, and the exact model, and other sections. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.